Do you know the early warning signs of heart disease? Heart disease is a silent and deadly spectre, lurking in the shadows of our everyday lives. Often it goes unnoticed until it's too late. But it doesn't have to be this way. By paying close attention to our bodies and recognizing the early warning signs, we can take control. Early detection is key. It can make the difference between life and death. Knowing the early warning signs of heart disease can save your life. Let's dive into the 10 signs you should never ignore. Okay, before we get started, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing and ringing the bell to stay in the loop and be notified when we release new videos. Alright, let's continue. The first sign you should look out for is chest discomfort. It's the most common sign of heart danger. This discomfort often feels like pressure, squeezing, fullness, or pain in the center of your chest. It might last for a few minutes, disappear, and then return. Now, let's talk about shortness of breath. This could occur with or without chest discomfort, and it's a symptom that should never be ignored. You might experience it while you're at rest or while performing normal activities. Next up is fatigue. If you're constantly feeling worn out and tired, it could be more than just lack of sleep. Unexplained weakness or extreme fatigue, especially in women, could be a sign of an underlying heart condition. Ignoring these signs could lead to serious complications, even a heart attack. These are just the first 3 signs, but there's more to look out for. Sign number 4 is often overlooked. It's called lightheadedness. This is more than just feeling a little dizzy when you stand up too quickly. It's a persistent feeling of unsteadiness, almost as if you're about to faint. It can be a sign that your heart isn't pumping blood as effectively as it should be, depriving your brain of the oxygen it needs to function properly. Next up, we have dizziness. Similar to lightheadedness, it's a sensation of feeling unsteady, but it can also mean feeling woozy or having a sensation of spinning. This can be due to a drop in blood pressure or an inadequate amount of blood flow to the brain, both of which can be caused by heart problems. Sign number 6 is a rapid or irregular heartbeat. You might experience heart palpitations, which feel like your heart is racing, pounding, or fluttering. This could be a sign of a heart condition called arrhythmia, where your heart beats too fast, too slow, or irregularly. Finally, we arrive at persistent cough or wheezing. This might sound like a symptom of a common cold, but if it's persistent, it could be a sign of heart failure. This happens when fluid builds up in the lungs due to the heart's inability to pump blood efficiently. Remember, these signs are not to be taken lightly. Still, we have 3 more signs to talk about. Moving on, the 8th sign is swelling in the legs, ankles, and feet. This is also known as edema. It's caused by your heart not pumping blood effectively, leading to fluid buildup in your body's tissues. If you notice your shoes are suddenly tight or your socks leave an indentation on your skin, it could be a warning sign of heart disease. Next up is persistent or unusual pains. You might experience discomfort in unexpected places like your arms, neck, jaw, or even your back. These pains may come and go, or they could manifest as a constant ache. It's important to remember that heart disease doesn't always cause chest pain, so don't ignore other types of discomfort. Lastly, we have unexplained anxiety. Some people may experience intense anxiety or panic attacks before a heart event. It's not entirely clear why, but it's likely due to your body sensing something is wrong. These are the final signs, yet they're just as important to recognize. Now that we've covered all 10 signs, let's understand why they're crucial. Recognizing these early warning signs, from unexplained fatigue and discomfort in the chest, to shortness of breath, unusual heartbeats, and beyond, could potentially save a life. Each sign acts like a red flag, alerting us to possible heart disease. By detecting heart disease early, we can intervene sooner, which can drastically improve outcomes. Treatment becomes more effective, and the potential for reversing damage is significantly greater. Ignoring or neglecting these signs, on the other hand, can lead to serious complications, even fatal ones. If you experience any of these signs, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional right away. Don't brush them off as mere discomforts or inconveniences. They're your body's way of telling you something isn't right. Remember, your heart is the engine of your body. Keep it healthy, listen to it, and it will serve you well for years to come. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to comment and share your health tips and experience. Also, if you thought this video offers some useful information, give it a like and share with your friends. It allows us to create more great content. If you want to see more great videos from us, hit the subscribe button and turn on notification, and we will catch you in the next one.